So ahead of the state budget presentation tomorrow, Tamil Nadu budget 2025-26 logo has now been released. And what release? We are looking at rather a replacement there. As far as the rupee symbol is concerned, that has now been replaced. Mr. Prashant GS is connected with us. Prashant, what do you make of a national symbol that we are looking at, the rupee symbol there? That's the identity that we give to the official Indian currency, which is INR. If that is itself being replaced in Tamil Nadu state budget, even before it is presented, what message is the state giving out?
See, Amita, this divisive politics of DMK, the Congress and its allies is out in the open now. Because their mindset was very clear. They wanted to have this division among states. They wanted to divide the country. In the past also, they've done this with South India, North India. They wanted to have a separate country for South. So this has been an ongoing process. The mindset of the Congress and its ally DMK there is only to divide the country. Now, by removing the rupee symbol, it is not about the center imposing something. It is a symbol which the world looks at as the symbol for the Indian currency. And on what basis are you removing it? Which means, is Stalin going to print separate notes for Tamil Nadu and say he's going to have a separate bank on his own and he will create a separate currency chest there? What is he up to? See, this only indicates the mindset of the DMK. It's only indulging in divisive politics. They want to threaten the sovereignty of the nation also. They don't want a united Bharat. They want to break it into pieces because they're aligned with the Tukre and their political...
Well, the identity itself is now being replaced by another symbol there as far as when we identify the Indian currency, and the core of this resistance is stemming from the concerns over perceived Hindi language imposition besides potential disruption to Tamil Nadu's long-established education model as well. And this is what the state government is now doing. Prashant, thank you very much for joining in. This is a big story. We'll get you more reactions back after a short break.